Man, that sucks. You would have been flapping my gums all that time for nothing. Oh man, that sucks. Okay, hang on. It's the problem has happened when I turn on a Registack. Let's see if it's gonna happen again. Okay, hang on. Oh man, I told you guys so many nice things, and it was like, all right, it doesn't matter. All right, hang on. Let's see. See this stack and Registacks here. I think these guys stacks is gonna give us a much better result because this cannot do gear rotation. So the 5 image I took with the sharpness feature on, let's go to, I don't know, here, this group of stars. Watch this, watch the background noise disappear. 5, watch this, Dewey. 5 images only. Watch, there you go. All the noise is gone except I got field rotation. You see that? 5 frames, and that's all what we need. Look at that, the noise is completely gone. Can you see that, Dewey? Okay, is this thing working here? Yes, it is. You see that, Dewey? I just stacked 5 images only. But of course, I've got the field rotation because I'm out now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to save this 5 images only, 30 seconds each. We didn't gain anything. Stacking average does not add anything to the exposure. All it does, it allows you to push process more because the noise been reduced or removed, or evened out if you wish. Then you can push process it. Right? Let's go back to the single image. What's this? Let's select the, I know what it looked like. All right, there. These are the 5 image with the sharpness turned up. The sharpness will add a lot more noise. Look at the noise we got in there. Here, take a look at this. Look at the noise in the background here. It's you know, it's a single frame, and the sharpness is up. How about if we, I don't know. Okay, let's use a sensor here. 5 frames, 1 out of 5, and you get line, ready, boom. Look at this, all the noise is gone, and now we're picking up further stars in the background because the noise is gone. So it has nothing to do with adding exposure time, not an average. Additive, yes, but you're also going to add the noise. So average is the way to go if you want to do a good job at it. Look at this nice, clean, where it's dark, there's nothing. And there's no dark frame here. There's none of that. Oh man, I wish I would have, I wish you would have heard me to what I was explaining earlier. I hate my internet. I really, really do. This is DSL and it's like 0.3 megasecond upload, so I'm below the minimum requirement to broadcast in this area. I really wish I had a better internet. Anyway, here's what we could do. Now, although we got field rotation in there, you've got layers here. So we get layers 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, 6 to 1. So I always start with the 2 and go moderation. Wow, look at this. See those 3 stars? You see how they pop? Now I get to push process. It's always going to be minimal. Look at this. Watch. Let's go to the first one, 1 to 1. Okay, now we're amplifying and we're sharpening the noise. So stay away from that 1 to 1. You right click on it, it goes back to 0. Let's turn to 3 to 1. There we go. Oh, we're also sharpening the noise. That means that we need a little bit more frames in there. There's this thing still working. All right, you're still hearing me. Too much noise, so let's go down. Okay, let's go to the 2 to 1. I got up there. Oh, yeah, that's the one. All right, I'm starting to like that. Back down a bit. 4, 5, and 6. Well, let's turn them up, see what's going to happen. So you're starting to get ring around the stars. Gee, that looks familiar, isn't it? And the noise too. So, no, let's put this back to 0. Let's try the 5 to 1, turn off halfway, and make sure you right click on it and go back to 0. 6 to 1. All right, let's try this. Yeah, that doesn't really think to me. So number 2 is the magic spot, and number 3. For this image scale, you better try them and go to moderation. And if you want to take them out completely, just right click, boom, look at the image. Nice, smooth, no noise. And do it. It's only 5 frames. I think 60 or 100, you don't need to. If the camera is clean to begin with, good electronics, good sensor, you won't need that much. Now, this is a CCD. This is where a CCD shines compared to CMOS. A CMOS, you are plagued with a graininess, which is normal because they're not read the same way as a CCD. Well, actually, not this CCD. This is an interlace. It's completely different from the CMOS, so you get a much cleaner image. Only 5 frames is required. Here's what we're going to try. I don't know if we're going to gain anything. Remember those? Okay, I did okay, 16, and these guys were not with. We're going to do 4, 5, 6, 7 image, and we're not done with the sharpness. This is just raw image. So again, we're going to do the same thing without the sharpness. And I'm going to, yeah, we're going to use this group of stars. There we go. Off you go. Let me do it on all 7. Watch this. Boom. It's really clean. It's even more clean. But okay, I do have field rotation because I'm in alpha. It doesn't matter. The point is to show the noise. Look at that. There's 0 noise in there. None. Nada. Absolutely nothing. And I haven't taken the dark frame. Go in the upper corner. You don't have an angle either. Wow. Really good camera, isn't it? This is cool. And you got the histogram. You could go there. You could start playing with the histogram. And you could stretch it. You could bring the sucker here and you know stretch button to this. There we go. Reset. No, we didn't do anything. All right. Help it all. Oh, do all. There you go. Okay, I gotta run out this guy. Please see what happens. So we'll reset the setup and you don't need to do this stuff. If you adjust the camera properly to take your images, video images that is, these are JPEG. This is not TIFF, this is not FIF, fancy stuff. This is JPEG. You don't need to go anywhere else with that. Not with video imaging. JPEG is fine, BMP is even better. Now we've got the brightness and contrast here. There you go. Here's the brightness. Look at this. Now I was able to turn off the brightness without too much noise. Yeah, it is identical. All the same. Okay, let's try the contrast. Oh, that's the brightness. Sorry. Here, play with the brightness and contrast. Wow, that's nice. Okay, now my colors are coming out. All right. Whoa, this is cool. Overexposed. And we're picking up noise now. All right. You got to find a medium where it is. Don't forget, it's 30-second exposure. That's it. All right, let's play with the histogram. Not the histogram, the contrast and brightness is all what you need for you. All right, let's do this again. That's the brightness. Okay, that's ugly. Put this back in the halfway. Let's do a bit of contrast adjustment. Ooh, nice. All right. There you go. So how you like it? I like a lighter background of it. I don't want to pitch dark. It's not natural. You want a light black, as they call it. And just okay. Let's it. All right. And what about this guy? Oh, that's nice. All right. Now we're getting there. Darker background, not pitch black, just darker, light black color, and then you don't need to use anything else. Just use a contrast light. That's the beauty of video. How you see the road. Video, you get to preset the camera, pre-adjust. Like how many hours it took for me to adjust this, right? I started with 4x4 binning, 3x3 binning, and now 2x2 binning. And once I've got a good image with all binning, I know I've got this thing dialed in. Then you grab your image like we did. Here's 7 stack image. Off your uncle. All right. Now let's. Wow, this is nice, guys. Never mind the star trail. We're not looking at this at the moment. We're just showing examples of the stacking using Registack. Now, if we reset that, this is the original image. See what I mean? If you've got the right image and you stack a few frames, a handful of them, you get the push process to bring stuff out. If you do that to single frame, you're going to bring noise and crap, and you'll never be able to get that value. So let's do this again. All right, there we go. What is this now here? There you go. Look at this. Contrast brightness. Bob's your uncle. This is done. Say, show your wife, show your kids, people at work, whatever. I don't have to spend evenings to correct my stars. I don't have to spend months to post-process with stuff that it's endless. Not everybody could do that. This, yes, anybody could do it if they applied themselves. I think next time we're going to do is this. We're going to run on how to process this file on NSN. Basically, we'll grab 5, 6, 7 really good images, okay? And after that, we are going to use Deep Sky Stacker because Deep Sky Stacker will allow us to remove the star trail. And once we've got that, we're going to be all set to go to process that in Registack, and that's it. And the process is simple. If your image is good, all you need is brightness to do final adjustment. I think it's a good plan. Yeah, we're going to try that next time. Okay, so now let's reset this. We're going to reset it to show how the actual image is. It's still stacked, though, mind you, but no brightness and contrast. So it's lifeless, but it doesn't have too much noise, so very low noise, which allows you to push process. That means go beyond what you should be doing in the brightness. That's a bit too high, so let's back this down. There you go. It's ridiculously easy. You don't need to go all to this trouble. It gets up. Wow, look at this. Now that I like. That pops to my eye. I could watch it live at the same time. I thought my damn internet doesn't crash would be upset. Brightness is down, and look at that, right? And the, wow. Okay, now we're talking. You're starting to see very fine detail in M27 near 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock position. You've got little waves of red in there. So we've been able to pull stuff out. Did you see that? This is cool. And I haven't done any wavelet. This is just brightness and contrast. That's it. Why it works that way? Because I set up the camera and I set up the adjustment of the camera properly in order for me to view this, to get the best image I can live. And that's what happened. All right, 10 to 11. I got to get up at 3. I got to be at work for 4:30. So I'm going to pull the plug, folks. It's just to show you what you could do. And it's not that difficult. The hardest part is to get this. Get this image right now that we are seeing. Oh crap, I used the wrong thing. Here it again. Here's M27 live. at the moment. And look, we're missing a lot of detail there. As you see, when we do this red stack with 5 and 7 frames, wow, the noise is gone, and I was able to switch process to bring out what's hidden under there. Oh, you've been taping this there, Jack. Okay, okay. Anyways, the guys and girls, that's how it works, I guess. That's how I do it anyways. Keep it simple. Get a good image with your camera. Number one rule, no matter what. And live. And that's the beauty of video imaging. Video observing. You want to do imaging? Sure, you can. No problem. Just get that image happening live. Once you've got that and you got everything under control, you're good to go after that. You do very, very basic processing that you'd be very proud to have on your wall and print that out in time. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use my little MallinCam key and I'm going to download those images. I'm going to bring them to work and I'll do exactly what I've shown you guys. But this time I won't use red stacks. I'm going to use deep sky stacker because it will derotate the frames. Oh, keep it simple, stupid. This is the way to go. The KISS principle always works. Sure, you could go super complicated. Sure, you could go even more than that. What's the point and how much more are you going to gain? This is video, not imaging. It's different, completely different, in fact. I find the flexibility of video uh, far more advanced than just imaging. Imaging, you're limited to what you see with one image. You save it, you post-process it. You're going to work evenings, not months on it. Not so with video. That's the big difference. Life's too short. I want instant gratification. You know what they're doing? When you drive it, sit down and drive to get your coffee, you want the damn thing now. I want my egg McMuffin now. I don't want to wait for it. Don't you get pissed off when you move ahead? Oh, we gotta cook it. We'll bring it to your car. I boil. I break dance in the car. I don't want to do this. I want my food now. I want my coffee now. Unfortunately, this is the time that we're living in today. People want instant gratification. That's how you get it in video imaging. Quick, easy, dirty, off you go, and you get good results. But you need good cameras for that. You need clean cameras. You need to learn how to adjust your camera to get the best live image possible. I should go to McDonald's and get a coffee now. All right. Or Tim Hortons, whatever. Okay, folks, I'm going to pull the plug, and we're going to see you in the morning, I guess. I'm going to download some images on my stick and bring them to work. And I'm going to play with them at work and see what kind of disaster we could come up with. So good night, everybody. Thank you very much for being on. If it's clear tomorrow night, I will be back on. And I'm going to leave that universe there, which is cool. Having fun with it. Okay, folks, have a good evening. And thank you again for hopping over.